Okay, so good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you, sir?
I'm also fine. Thanks so much for asking me, and I hope you are very excited for
Yes.
this interview.
Yes, sir.
So first, you share your nickname and with village.
My nickname is Asis Mandal, and I am from Bayamganj.
So Ashish Mandal, can you share in Begamganj there is any special some beautiful moments or any
Yes.
monuments?
Yes, in last year, in our village has there are one script act in through the publics. They are arguing with leaders. You please decrease the corruptions.
And there are any monuments?
Yeah. In last month in our village has one monument like not last 2 months we celebrated in Durga Puja time as there one as a dancing program. There are many people who are enjoying these things.
Okay. And the next question is, which class do you study in this time?
I am in this time study UG 5th semester.
Fifth semester. Okay. And which subject do you like the most?
I like mostly in this time politics, but I want always convey politics laws and amendments through the multiple languages. Uh, in my last 2 or 3 years, I don't know. I am not aware for about English, but right now I am very so excited for learning in English about politicians and law and amendments. So in language has English language is the most important for in our life, and most ofly also in educations. In Indian education policy, firstly they give the first priority English language and second Hindi. So in this time Hindi priority decrease, but English priority is the increasing day by day. That's why I am learning in this time English and convey the other subject through the English language. But my favorite subject is political science.
Yes. Understood. Why politics is your favorite subject? And which subject do you find the difficult?
In this time I am find in my life also from my 10th standard I am not understanding about the economies, how to Indian economics work between the government and private works, how to balance they and how to its work. I am not properly understand. So in my life this economy subjects is sometimes it's make in my life difficult problems.
Yes. It means the economics is most difficult subject for you.
Yes.
And what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is traveling historical place because I visit any historical place, there are I multiple things I learn through the practical way. In in history has there are only written कि they in Taj Mahal has Taj Mahal made because why because uh, Mumtaz and
Saja.
Shahjahan. It is the give the sense of love story between. But when we will see through our eyes, they are then we will see what is the beauty of Taj Mahal. But in history books are there are not written beauties books.
Yes, you are the right. Ashes. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to doing something new, like collecting new information in our India, in our politician, and also in about my study. And I also work in my free time physical activity because it's help to our uh, removing sickness. When we will do the physical activity, then very less times comes in our life sickness. That's why I am in my free time I do physical activity.
Yes, and it is the good for health.
Yes.
And who is your favorite teacher and why?
In this time, FA, all both Bipin sir and also Vishnu sir, they are both teachers are very helpful for me because before the FA joining, I am not capable for understanding and managing English language and also computer work. But when I join FA and when I learn from both teacher, then I understand how to convey our language through the simple way. In English, not only English as like just a hard subject. It's when we will do the practical way, it's the very simple. English is not hard, but when we will continuously it's work as in our life practical way, then it's too easy for us. And also FA teachers provide our pressure, handling our pressure, and through the mentally strong they are give the senses.
Yes, you are totally right. And what do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a future sub inspector because I want to remove corruption, and I want to take the actions from taking bribes and wrong behavior with women. In this time in our India has last 5 year, not last 5 year, last 10 year has 13,000 cases about the raping and this type of. So in this time our government and also police service peoples, they are do not honestly work and they do not take the actions suddenly. That's why it's happening day by day is the improving. When we will take the action from the wrong behavior suddenly, it's decrease the negative thoughts, the minds, negative thoughts of human. When any people thinks I kidnap any girls, and if police take the actions very late and we through the money, it's this type of problem balance. But when any police officer suddenly take the actions from their side, that time very less chances for people thinks about the women. They do not suddenly think, our very less cases show the our country to this type of
Yes, it is right and it is true also.
yes sir.
And we're facing this problem.
Yes sir.
Not in this time, we are facing this problem when we are the independent 1947. Okay, finally, the last question is what is the one thing you are good at?
I am good at in founding anything new and describing anything new based on the understanding, whichever things are based on the understanding, I easily able to describe that things like this. What is the between differences, policy and human laws, this
Yes.
type of these things are based on the understanding. I very easily describe this type of things. Also based on the reasoning types questions, I am good at from there.
Finally, ask one more question. What do you expect from your teacher?
I expect from my teacher, I want to become my teachers, they my teacher which things do for student how to inspire from teacher, then these things do teacher. Suppose if my teacher do the something negative from expect to student, then a student also inspired from negative thoughts. Do not inspire from the positivity and something big what dream. If in my life in last year Bipin sir achieved the assistant professor, they are very give the very positive inspiration for us, because they they working as a teacher through that time they balance their study and also achieve the assistant professor job. So I want teachers always inspire from student always inspire from teacher. That's why teachers should need to do something good and based on the inspiration of student.
Yes, right and true. And I'm very excited for ask more question, but time is not allowing us. No problem. So thanks so much, Ashish. Next time we discuss more question and more conversation. Thanks so much.